Hello my friends, how are you all today? Welcome to this brand new video. I've got a very special treat for you all today. Remember Bestie's dog daycare? My creation I've told you about in previous videos and told stories about. For example, when Bruno first met Asteroid. I've added a bonus to it this time. I thought, what if Bestie's dog daycare had an agility course? I've seen dogs doing agility on both the TV and in real life as well. It's great fun to watch, isn't it? And I thought, why don't I feature an agility course in Bestie's dog daycare? That would be really cool. I'd love that. I played with the idea as well. Like this. Remember Riley, a character I've told you about in previous videos? You know, the one who works for the United States Construction Company and goes from place to place, asking what you'd like built there. Bruno asks him for an agility course for Bestie's dog daycare. And good as his word, Riley teams up with the United States Construction Company and the job is underway. I've got another treat in this video too. I have in fact drawn the agility course based on an illustration of it in the back of my mind. Let me just swivel the camera around and I will show you. Okay. So, here is my drawing of the agility course. I drew it all myself. Okay, let me just bring the camera out a bit. Okay, so, here is the start-finish line where Asteroid / Bruno or anyone else starts. They wait for the go signal from a member of staff, and they run up the first path, through the pretend forest here. They go up this little path. They go down the slide into this ball pit, fight their way through. They then run up this next path, go through these tunnels, across this little path. They go over these small bridges, over the carpet on the floor, down past through this little path, and across this path here. They zigzag their way through the pillars, because they run a sort of zigzag shape as they go along, and they finish back here. How do you like my drawing of the agility course? Looks nice, doesn't it? I hope you liked my drawing. I can show more drawings in more videos to come. I hope you liked hearing about the Bestie's dog daycare agility course. It was in fact inspired by the times I've seen dogs doing agility on the TV and dogs doing agility in real life. I've seen it in both ways. It is great fun to watch, isn't it? I hope you liked hearing about this. I'll be back for more videos again soon. See you next time.